Hello friends, welcome to Technical RP. This video we are going to talk about how to do web scraping through Python, beautiful soap method or beautiful soap component. So usually, web scraping is nothing but that. Suppose, this is the web page. So I want to get the command and share the details of command and details of share, how the words or something like that, or else I want to get this all the file edit view these all the commands details, or else I want to get the weather report. So this type of get method through web scrap method, this is html page. So I'm going to get through this html page particular values through python web scraping method. So just I will, if I run that, it has to give my report or else my weather report. So what is the output for this? This script runs, it will give the output as what is the temperature, the weather report of temperature, what is the description, what is the what is the day which has ran and what is the period. So everything you will get it on it. So which weather, so all the things you will get it on it. So in that case, what are all the packages I have to add on? The first package, it's very important. That is Beautiful Soup 4. This is the Beautiful Soup only using for web scraping methods at mostly. So I'm using Google Colab. So how you can use Google Colab? If you go to Google and just click on uh, in Google search, just mention Google Colab and you will ask to sign in. If you sign in, you will directly get into that web page. So Google Colab has different tools. Google Colab, you can put it Google Colab Python, so that you will get it IPYNB new files. So that this is the first method. I'm using Google Colab. That editor is Google Colab editor. So first thing, and the second thing is I have to install the packages. The first package I have to install is Beautiful Soup 4. This is the one I need to run. This pip install is the package installation to run the particular command. So here you can see requirement already satisfied. It's already ran it. Once it ran, the second thing is HTML5 lib. This I need to install or else this package should be added before running my code. So I'm using the third party tools, Python tools, so that I have to install on it. This HTML5 lib, especially record, I have HTML classes, HTML div and HTML branches, so that everything I have to do be taken as a breakup. I'm using HTML5 lib. The third thing is I'm passing some request. Here you can see find or else class, find with class or else prettify. These kind of request I am passing on. So the HTML these kind of request, so that I'm using request. So I'm using three components or three libraries. Once I have to run each and every one. Here you can see I ran it pip install beautiful soup, and the second I have to install HTML file lib. I have to run on it, and the third thing is I have to run on it Here you can see HTML5 live. I already ran it. It's showing requirement already satisfied. If it is new, it will run and it will give you the message. The third thing is request. So I already ran it. So the first thing is I am importing the request method. This is very important for me. I'm just importing. The second thing is I'm adding beautiful soap. Why I'm adding BS4? Wherever I can use beautiful soap, beautiful soap. I'm using BS4 as a shortcut key. So that so the first line is page. So this is the page. I need the weather for the particular period, particular description, and temperature and short description. So these are all the details I needed from the get method. I'm storing into the page. So here I'm simply using request. So request dot get method. So this request is, as I mentioned earlier, request is very important DLL. So that request is HTTP library and the basic get method I'm using on it. So how we can get the status code, we can get the status value. So all the things we can get it through that. The second thing is this met, soup values. How I am getting it? I'm already having beautiful soup page dot content. I'm using HTML parser. Though this HTML parser is the first level, I have to first I will get it to the parser level, then I have to get it at the complete only the needed details. The third one is day. How I can found day? You can see what is the ID. This is the HTML parser HTML ID. For example, you are taking command. So this HTML ID of this command is maybe command underscore ID. So this is the ID I'm having to select as the ID to find it out. So if ID is changing, that would be the problem to get it to the data of the extracted or else web scraping values. The forecast item, nothing but that. This is the class name which I'll find all. Uh, Another thing is, so what is the mean by tonight? This is nothing but that. So when I need this weather forecast, so I'm getting on it. So simply I'm I'm just deleting this. So I would just run on it the entire things so that you can understand. So I need entire Prettify values. Here you can see it started from div class and it entered with div class. So inside that, these are all the values. Leave it this value, this overnight and all. This is the value which I'm getting from here. So what I will need to do is just I will command out and I will run for your reference. So within a 0 second it got it. Here you can see it started with the div and it ended with the div. Inside that I'm getting overnight. So what is the description? What is the temperature? And what is the image value? So everything I'm updated here. I'm getting here. So my ultimate goal is not the entire HTML values. My ultimate goal is temperature, description, the value, or else other short description. So these are or else the period. So these the four fields my ultimate goal to get the values. So so how I'm achieving on it? See, for period, I'm just adding tonight dot find. I have class period name. Here you can see I have class period name. I need the class of period name. Here you can see this is the period name class. So I mentioned this period name class it here to get text. And the second thing is short description. I need short description class as a get text. Here you can see short description. Also, I need a class for temp. So I'm getting tonight.find class temp. Here you can see this is the class temp I'm getting on it. The fourth thing is I'm need to get the title. So what is the title here? I'm getting on it. So that this all the values I'm getting on it and each and individual level. So this is the web scraping method I'm going to achieve on it. So I'm just running on it with the current needed values. So here you can see. Now I'm getting what is the overnight is nothing but that period. This is short description. This is temperature and this is the description. So my ultimate goal is all the four values I have to get it on it based on the IDs. So I achieved on it through the beautiful soup web Python DLL. So this is the simple method. So in the same way we can achieve on it for many values through web scraping method of the beautiful soup methodology. So here um, the next video I will update you how to now we are getting some values, for example period short expression. So after that whatever the values we received we put it into the particular web page. So I will update you how we can run, how we can achieve through Python script. Thanks for watching this.